Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to set up your TeamSpeak and Discord for automatic role assignment when new members join your guild. How does the system work? Our system assigns roles only to users who have authorized through Discord and TeamSpeak within our system. If a user has not connected their TeamSpeak, they will not receive a role automatically. To check whether a user is connected to TeamSpeak, go to Filters. Select the TeamSpeak column. You'll see a list of all users who have authorized through TeamSpeak. How to connect TeamSpeak for regular members. Click on your nickname. Go to Accounts. You'll see two panels. Discord is connected automatically, but for TeamSpeak, you need to enter your TeamSpeak UID. To find your UID, open TeamSpeak, go to Settings, then Identities. Locate your UID number. Copy and paste it into the system. Once done, you are now authorized in TeamSpeak. How does the role system work? As you can see, there are 3 users in TeamSpeak but only 2 in the system. Our system assigns and removes roles only for those registered in GuildBro. If you assign a role to a user who is not in the system, their roles will not be changed. But remember that you must first create roles in Discord and TeamSpeak for our system to be able to assign them to users. How to connect a TeamSpeak server to your guild. In the server address field, enter your server address without the numbers after the colon. In server query port, enter the default, 10,011. In server port, enter 9987, or the value listed after the colon in your server address. In server query username, enter the default, server admin. In server query password, enter the password you received when setting up your server. This is not the password that users use to join your TeamSpeak. This is the admin password provided when you set up your TeamSpeak server. Click Save. Click Test Connection to check if the system detects your TeamSpeak server. Setting up automatic role assignment. You can see how roles are assigned to users in TeamSpeak. Enter the names of the roles that should be assigned automatically when a user joins your guild. Click Save, and the roles will be automatically assigned in TeamSpeak. Editing roles. To remove or rename a role. Delete the unwanted role. Enter the new role. Click Save. The changes will take effect immediately. How does the system work with Discord? Setting up roles in Discord. The process is the same as in TeamSpeak. Enter or remove the necessary roles. Click Save, and the system will automatically assign roles in Discord. Full system automation. Our system is fully automated. When transferring a user from one guild to another, their roles automatically update in both TeamSpeak and Discord, no manual action required. In this video, you'll see how it works. When a user moves from one guild to another, their roles instantly update in both systems. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Discord to stay up to date with all the latest updates. Thank you for choosing GuildBro.